Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to enable a administrator account in Windows 10. So how to enable it, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Now you can see that in my case is a administrator account is disabled, and you can also check it in control panel. Go to your control panel, user accounts, and now you can see data only. Click on manage accounts, and now you can see data only one account is enabled and administrator account is not sure. So how to enable it? So go to your search box and type a cmd. When you click on go to your command prompt, right click, run as administrator, open a command prompt and type a command is net space user space administrator space slash active dots and press and type a yes and press enter. Now you can see data the command completed successfully. After doing this stat, go it, and now you can see data administrator account is enabled. You can also check it in control panel. So type a control panel, go to your user accounts, manage another account. Now you can see data administrator account is enabled. If you want to disable it, then you can once again type this command net space user administrator space slash active dots and type no and press enter. When you type a no, then you can see data once again administrator account is disabled. So this is a way to enable or disable administrator account in Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.